26 out.
You need to watch where you're at?
That's crazy, bro.
Y'all got a box? Yeah, watch it. Alright, how'd you first? Watch the season opener? I'll go there.
Super early.
Alright, good.
Man, baby, all right. That was shout out his kneecap, brother. All right, hey,
So it's the second half.
Over here, NorCal.
Yeah, I know.
I swear you my guy, so I couldn't just play kicking like that. It's all good. Oh my God. You was on fire tonight, I was like,
I don't expect any privileges.
It was funny. He was on fire, and I missed it. I was like, you made these shots, man. That was quite
It's all good. Yeah. And you thought we were going to keep the lead, too, so we fucked it up. I know we were complaining and stuff, crying.
Y'all did y'all thing, man. Y'all only have 5 players, man. Hey. I see that old school.
That's right, the follow through.
That old school hit, I said, boy, wait.
Ain't no double step. I'm going 1-2 old school style.
Hey, you feel me? Hey,
Pivots, right?
Quick release.
Not that little two. That's like, I guess it's legal, but I don't like that. I like the curl. Straight up.
Straight. Get it in. Because you plant that pivot, you. And once that right foot gets there, once that lead foot gets there, it's a wrap.
That's what I think. But I'll see you.
Hey.
See you at the gym tomorrow.
Yep. All right, see you on Thursday.
No? Alright, I'll see you.
I'm about to say, make sure you got water, dude. Huh? You was on fire. Make sure you got water before you set your car.
I know.
Hey, it was funny at one time, though. At one time of the game, it was so funny, dude. You made like 10, 12 consecutive passes. Back to back.
Oh, I think you're talking about Marcus.
No, he was doing this thing, too. The reason why, me and Dave were talking about you. Dave was saying if you was like 6'2", 6'3", 6'4", you could have played even higher.
If I just wasn't a big man my whole life,
Yeah,
That's my point.
that's what you were saying.
It's
right here.
Your fake game was crazy tonight. You getting everybody off the ground. Y'all ready, y'all? Showtime. You know what I mean? I let him get on the court so it won't look like he late.
Look, they got a camera ready. They about to go showtime. Come on, fellas, lock
2 cameras ready.
showtime times 2.
Hey, you put him on blast now.
They're trying to put a secret highlight tape out. Good shot, boy. Good shot, boy. That play D. Talk. Where you going back? Where you going back? Watch that baseline. Oh! Hands up. No foul, no foul, no foul. Get back! Get back! Y'all gave him 2 wide open plays. Get back! Baseline! It's all right. You get warmed up. That's the first one. Hey, come good.
Oh, jump ball, jump ball, jump ball.
Hey, come on, jump. Like a real life jump ball?
Yeah, everything. Five, 5.
And get back.
I mean 8-5 or 8-2.
Baseline.
Who,
Drew, you see that?
fantastic foreplay there.
Huh?
Fantastic foreplay there.
I'm not sure. Hold up.
It's okay, play ball. Play ball, ball. It's good, play ball. He was in the middle. Good shot, boy.
Hey, time out. Hey, Kev. Yeah, I know. Hold up. Time out. Hey, look. Mel. Look, just want you to know that. So chill out. My time. Thank you.
That shit going 20.
There.
That's right.
All right, we straight. My bad.
What you do ain't so bad, man. It's teamwork, man. It's part of the game.
Hey, wake up.
There we go. That's the score.
It's like, damn.
Hey, good rotation.
That's why.
Good rotation. Yup. Get out there, John. Get on. Good ball. Get back. Stay there. Oh, good swing. Oh. Hey, he had him sealed.
What's up with it?
Good flow. Come on, get back. Wait, see it. Good job. Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. It's a made basket, so go ahead.
Make sure you're outside. Hey, he gonna hit this though. Get back, Drew. You know he gonna make it. Wake up, Joe. Wake up. Your world. Never mind. He's not going to the rim. You know that. Hey, you know he's not going to the rim. Good D, Drew. Best you can do. Okay. Move. Good move. Hey, big man. Shaq like force.
Ooh, good pass, Jello.
Hands up. Good shot, boy. I see. Somebody got it for that game of the play of the game.
Yeah, he is. He knows his spot.
I'd be like, why he ain't
You know how old he is? 37. Yeah.
He the little brother, right?
Yeah. No, he the older brother. The other one. The older one, the younger one, taller. The taller one. He's not here right now.
Oh, so I was them two though.
8 older.
I used to have little kids.
Yeah. Hell no. He put them down.
Oh shit, this recording by itself? That's tough.
As best as it could.
Oh, it's so far, it looks pretty accurate. Is it shooting too, right?
Yes, sir. After the first shot.
Got you. After you say what? Oh, okay. Oh, defensively? Yeah. Okay. Honestly, the only person that looks like they play basketball is Marty. Maybe. No disrespect.
Sup?
Oh, they liked it. That's
Good steal. But he know ball don't lie. He gonna get it back in karmatic fashion. Or karmic.
Not Sunny in there.
No. Fuck.
I know who. Which one? Mike.
Yup. Beast mode. Woo-hoo. Ball don't lie.
I was like, wait a minute. I was like, I know who.
It's my favorite law.
I was like, I know who. Here he go.
I really have no clue. I thought the blue team.
Blue team is. Cut through, John.
2.
Right there, fellas. Right there.
Oh, did he?
I knew it was something.
Hey, this is the
No.
the wrong person ain't gonna be.
Yeah. That's why you say him return the ball. 2 hours early. Oh, him and Mike gonna have fun tonight. Him and Mike gonna have fun. Mike, you don't know Mike.
They ain't Garmin, ain't they?
Oh, is that who they?
They ain't Garmin.
Ooh, they play right?
That's what I think he said Garmin.
You might be right. I don't be paying attention. You be paying attention, Goof. I don't be paying
I
attention.
not show up over here. Who y'all play tonight? Who y'all play tonight?
Garment?
Yep. Who's got the schedule tattoo?
Yep. For real. At this point.
I told Dave, dude averaged 30 in the league. He was like, hell, he was from no points. Then he went from 0 to
As soon as you said that.
Bruh. I missed my putt, bruh. It was like 2 weeks ago. I missed my fucking. Maybe I was like, I don't know. Maybe from here to the dark blue line, bruh. Missed it. Birdie. I was sick. It lipped out too. I was sick. That was my only opportunity.
Oh, good pass.
I thought about it for hella long. This is stupid.
He's a great passer. Yeah.
This is hella more communicated. I'd rather just guard. I also just feel like we didn't unless it was that press. It was the press getting from me.
Garmin better be ready, man. I see them get sloppy sometimes.
But I think they usually get sloppy when they
Remember when Jay wasn't here that night?
Huh? Yeah.
Hey,
They catch that.
when Jay wasn't here that night? Did they win? Yeah, exactly.
They was catching off.
They was catching off that night. They bumping that.
Bye.
The man in the middle legend himself.
When are you gonna help him? He needs help.
He has to text me his availability. You know he's a busy man.
After this, the last game. Just give him a quick little subway station.
Woo! Dunk that shit, John. Hey. louder now.
They got the fuck out the way. Now you really gonna watch each other back.
He liked that. He liked that, Drew. He liked that, Drew. Ooh, good D.
Yeah, no look half.
Run, run!
Say shit.
They're ready to start offense.
Come up!
Hey, yo, game don't start till 9.
Swing, swing, swing! I'm drop.
That's nasty, bro. That's nasty too. I think so. Yeah, I do. Did you guys win? Yeah. To who? THL? Oh shit. Oh, I thought so. I had them. They do, huh? Do they got that ginger? Do they got a ginger kid? Yeah, he's nice, bro.
Especially because the sun goes out earlier, too. God damn it, what?
Hey, what, man? I thought you were going to give me such a sauce to the pie.
Freaking, I know his Instagram name. Like Blazing? Like Blazing? Yeah, he's Tyrese. No. I know exactly what you're talking about, bro. Dawson. Huh? Dawson. Stupid. Dawson? Oh, bro.
Rebel Berry.
Who was on him?
So let me tell y'all about this.
Make Ramon do that stupid shit.
Yeah. And he do the stupid shit though. That's
He can work, but that dude. Yeah. He was picking up our only point guard because we didn't have Rob yesterday. He was picking up our fucking guard JT full court, bro.
Oh, y'all had JT too?
He just had a newborn. I'm ready for all that.
Fuck.
Why
why
super
should he
deep,
give
bro.
you? I'm like, why should he give you the Red Bull or something?
Apparently they got Ryan too. Ryan here. Oh, Ryan here. Going to us.
I ain't stopped since. It's been about a year now. I get to every time I'm always man, the caffeine intake that is so good. Yeah. Hey, so much less. Like this about to be heckin' nasty. Man, I drunk it already for like 2 more games and forgot that I even had it. What's that thing called? Bam. Hey, JT, you know about this?
I strictly drink water, that's it. Wifey got all the other stuff. And then here and there, I indulge in a little slurpee here and there.
I remember I was on my little water hike. I lost a good 30 pounds. Now I drink anything I want.
So my favorite is the skinny can cranberry pomegranate.
I taste that one. It's good too.
Sparkling? Oh my gosh.
They told me a little grocery.
I ordered out there.
All right, let's take a jump. Hey, go to the free throw line. Go to the free throw line. That's the honest thing y'all can get. Oh, he made it shorter.
Stat sheet. It was 5v5. Bears.
Every time I see this,
She don't talk. No, she doesn't like you. Why? But something happened. Yeah, he was probably he said something after he was saying, but yeah, ever since then, she's not giving him any second chance. Yeah, she's older than us. She's like 2 years older.
It does not have to
They do.
I'll tell you, you got whatever we got.
Wow. Hell yeah.
adjustment.
I got you. I'll do it.
Attention to
Lock in,
hijack.
baby! Lock in! Make sure y'all know who y'all got. Never mind, y'all 2, 3. I'm sorry. That's on me. I'm talking. Hey, John! John! You're in! That's what we talking about. Stay active. Get them going. Win! Win! Get that, Drew. Good skill.
Jello who, baby? Come on.
Good shot, boy. Now play defense.
There you go. Keep going, Jello. Thank you.
That's who's leading our next generation.
Appreciate you.
That's who's leading
Wake up! Wake up! Baseline! Baseline!
Need it, Russ.
That's a hard angle, Drew.
I'm a love doctor. I got you. I do, but it's not with me right now. Yeah, usually I do. The night I let my friend borrow it. That was Mel? What? Oh, J-Cat. Hey! Got his own read. Ooh, good D. He here?
There's no down.
This dude been hacking the crap out of all game.
Okay.
Y'all niggas playing.
Hey, yo.
Working on my hits.
You coming in, Mike? Yes, sir. Alrighty.
Did you get the putting shit?
Get back! Y'all gotta stop begging for these damn calls like bro. I hate that shit so much.
At least the leadership at first.
I get it if it's a close game. But you keep blowing them out.
Drew asked first though. CEO made the call. General manager made the call.
No, you good. You good. Y'all straight.
Was I tripping?
No.
It be so complicated.
He's so. It's so.
Yeah.
Ah!
How many months ago?
Yeah. We getting lit in here.
Oh, foul.
Yeah, take one.
Hey, Drew, foul somebody. Foul him. He's shooter.
Good luck, Ross. Selfish shit. That's selfish.
Take a foul.
Hey, come on. Eric.
Hey, Rob, you got that clipboard? We waiting for Sworn to bring our jerseys, but we got new numbers. It's good. I'll put the numbers in. As long as y'all got the name. Interview yourself. Alright, bro.
I'm not even sure if that's my
It's good, it's good.
You know, I'm gonna be late tomorrow. Cause I coach tennis. It's official 7:30.
Well, I mean, NJ hasn't given us the game yet, so.
No, he said 8 o'clock for us. For real? Are you playing?
I am. When did he say?
What time do you play though? Who do you play for? Who's gonna help you play your game?
My cousin.
Huh?
My cousin.
Unless you want me to help him out.
That'd be cool. That'd be nice.
Unless you guys don't want to come to the stats, I can help you out.
That'd be
that?
cool. Yeah, like hopefully if we get like the 9 o'clock game.
There's 3 games.
Yeah, so if we get the 9 o'clock game, that'd be
You
nice.
play
But if we have the 7 o'clock game,
8. I can't do 7. Because I told you that I work till 7:30. Yeah. Every Wednesday. Because I do tennis coaching, so I just gotta leave. Because who wants Stack City?
yeah.
It's not like 2 out of 20. It's like 2 out of 5.
He averaged like 30 points a game.
He's the leading scorer.
That boy, this dude was ball.
Yeah.
He ain't do a regular pass yet this season. Nothing but no look.
None but no looks.
Jonathan Lee? You know how old he is, right?
Yeah, he's little.
He just turned 40.
Yeah.
He doesn't look like it though.
I'm playing John T. John T and Derrick Henry gotta go.
What he's gonna need? You don't need anybody. Good luck. This motherfucking guy don't need nobody.
They just gotta get it together.
Assist 1, and then 0 made a layup. One made a layup.
And we'll run to that's a screen.
Rebound 11.
I don't want
I got you. Rebound 1 Blue. Double 0 made a shot. Assist 8. Rebound 35.
Three, two, one.
Oh, 13.
Yeah, bail him out. It was about to be shot clock, Ed. Yeah, the shot clock on them.
What was it called?
Oh, y'all ain't see?
Foul.
You ain't grabbed the foul? You
You see?
didn't see
That's
that?
all. That's all.
Damn, y'all could have had the ball.
Hey, I was trying to figure out what he did that.
Why you do that?
Yeah, you're right.
Could've waited
You're right.
1 second.
Hey, when you chasing your heart, you wait 1 second. He said, hey, shot clock was at 2. Yeah.
2:35. Rebound.
Shit, that's a 6.
Assist 8, 1 minute layup.
Good. You just keep saying 8 when it's a 6.
Couple 0.
That's a 6. He's not rebound. So that one's a little
Melvin's
confusing.
8. Rebound. Low possession. Rebound 10. 10 green. Rebound 30.
No, I got it. We're definitely gonna need help tomorrow. I think I'm good for today.
Oh, no, I know. Because I play after you guys. I can stay.
Yeah.
You need me to stay, I can stay. I could do the stat sheet, whatever you want me to do. Of course you want to get stats too. Rebound 10 gold. Rebound 11 gold. Rebound 8.
Hey, they're getting their chances, man.
Rebound 30. 30 gold. 30 gold 2.
He can really play, bro.
Rebound 35.
Dude try to take that clock.
I know, bro.
Rebound 30.
You play strong, y'all. Let's go. That's nice.
Rebound 30. Rebound Melvin.
You got to a spot though, bro.
Hey, get there, Melvin.
2, 1.
Shot call violation. Never hit the rim. Stop.
Stand.
Melvin, stay in. Melvin, stay in.
Bruh, Mike, stop that shit.
You alright? 10. Hey, on the floor.
You gonna give it? Who you gonna give to? It was in the way. Oh wow. Whoa, that's a sick pass. I'll give that assist. Oh shit. Thank you.
Rebound 30. Minute layup, 1 assist. Rebound 30. 11-minute layup.
You got one more left.
Hey, if you wasn't having a good game, I would.
I'm pretty sure that's all the time.
Each team got one. Hey, so the Wednesday one is a lower rank. Okay, just want to make sure because our team is lower rank.
Hi, Dowell.
Our team is lower rank. I got like.
Ours is kind of. I mean, I got a girl. And I got a couple of people that are just like rough teeth, you know.
That's why. Hey, you gotta watch out Young Para. They might send back.
Huh?
Young Para.
Why?
You know that team always has to upgrade. I know that.
But they dropped a bunch of another team dropped because they had hella good players.
You know Young Para. I know that. I asked my friend, like, hey, you better not do this. He said, no. He's hella good too. We're either gonna. So I think Team Daly's on the bring somebody in, or we're just gonna. It should be fun. Yeah, I like it.
Hey, man, y'all told the right conversation. That's what I'm saying. But we not used to it. Both of y'all. Hey, both of you. Start the game clock though? I'm just joking. We finished that.
30-minute layup, assist 13.
I like scheduling stuff.
And play. Are you gonna be here? I'll be here. And you know that. Hey, you know our CHO.
Wait,
We're here Thursday. That's all we have. That's all we have today. That's it.
oh wait, I'm tripping. This garment.
That's all we have. We're missing no Ryan today. Ramon's coming.
Damn.
Oh, here? Directly? How about you, Coach?
Yeah. Players Club.
Trust?
Players Club.
Trust in it too? Trust in it?
That's my team.
Hey, is trust in it?
Yeah, trust is in it.
Yeah, NJ's playing.
Hey,
You want rough? I'm here.
Hey, break you play.
No. Wednesdays I play freaking work.
I have mine.
Take one possession.
He's already on the team.
Jerseys are 5 minutes off. Thank you, brother. How you doing?
Good, bro. How are you?